Cloudy side, life's a treadmill. No one there to help climbing uphill. Time repeats the pain class in session. How to overcome, that's the lesson.
When it's up to make, we can see friends. It's enough to make all the distance. Once upon a time, write the story. People of the space, heart restoring.
It's up to fate, be the difference. It's not up to fate, go the distance. Once upon a time, write the story. Equal up to fate, heart restoring. What's the word today? Who will lead us? Leading word today, only Jesus. Coming back to home, here's the laughter. At the end, we found here and laughter.
Here and after.
Side, you're a hero. In the face of darkness, first blow.
Time to draw the line now, remember. This is up to fate, live forever.
I just talked out empty-handed.
Faith will walk the walk, life is granted. Raise the standard high, let the world see. Jesus is alive, awesome mercy. Turning for you've got the power, the faith to believe. The cure in this crucial hour you need to receive. It's a formidable source, yes, it's a formidable force. Expecting more, unlock the door, this privilege no clock cut holds. Get your inheritance with diligence, with the unsung endurance, new intelligence. You'll realize the readily clear evidence. Scroll will minimize, and with your eyes you'll see the one and only. For you took breath, he authored your whole life story.